guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know the lighting's not too great out here, but it's just such a nice day that I thought, you know what, let's make this video outside. So basically you're gonna need like a little bit of it. Sorry, my dog's whining in the back. But so basically what happened is I had a CASEMATE brand case on, and my phone, I dropped it like 3.5 feet and the entire back glass cracked. So I had contacted them and they couldn't do anything, and so I finally spoke with the manager and she said I could pick out 3 cases at no cost to me and get them shipped to my house. So I have them here and I am going to unbox them. So without further ado, let's get into it. I haven't even broken into it because I wanted to wait for you guys. So, opens this way. Okay. So I ordered 3, as I mentioned before. So the first one is this carrot rose gold one. This one also has the 10-foot drop protection that mine did. So let's get this out of the case. One piece. It's like goldish, which I think they called it carrot for that reason. As you can see, it still has the film on it and everything. So, yep, let's just plop this back in here. So, here's my order slip. And then, oh, that's weird. This one has a packaging on it. The other one didn't. So, let's this out. Hi, Cody. This is my dog. He loves to play Frisbee, so, yep. So, this is what this one looks like. Ditzy petals. It actually, I don't know if you guys can see, but it actually has like real flowers in it. So if I can just, using one hand, slide this out. Wow. So this is what it looks like. It's like the carrot, except it's silver. And it has flowers. That is my bird feeder falling. Wow, I did a good job at putting that one up. So yeah. So for the last one, I got something a little bit different. This is a car case. It is actually out of the packaging. Here's our little vent clip. And it has a diagram here. So I guess it has an upper, yep, and a lower plate that it sticks to. And then it just kind of pops back in here. Oh my gosh, it has like, I dropped it and like straw got on it, so now I need to like brush this off. Okay, I need to like fix all this straw. Pretty boring. It's just a matte black case. It has their logo on the bottom with a sticky thing, you know. So, you guys, this is the case that I bought for my phone, this waterfall case. My phone did crack through this one, but it is okay. It's functioning just fine. So I did get an OtterBox case afterwards just to protect it even more in case something did happen, like me dropping it on this floor again. Actually, the accident happened on, I was sitting on this chair and this heating pad, I was trying to put it behind my neck up here, and my phone like slipped out of my hand and fell behind the chair, and it all cracked. So I'm sure that this hard tile slate floor had a lot to do with it, but yeah. Cases. I do not need these 3 cases, nor do I want them, so I posted them on an app called LETGO. These 2 retail for $50, so I posted them on LETGO for $35, and this one retails for $40, and I posted it for $30 on LETGO. As you have seen, they are new out of the box, and so if you want to check them out, then you can probably just look them up. CASEMATE cases on LETGO. They are for the iPhone XR because that is the one that I have. So yes, there it is, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.